today's digital age, making money online has become an enticing prospect for many. The first step in this journey is identifying your skills and interests. Consider what you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. This will fuel your motivation and make the work more enjoyable, whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding. Aligning your efforts with your interests can lead to greater success. Once you have pinpointed your strengths, explore various avenues to monetize them. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr provide opportunities to sell your skills to a global audience. Create a compelling profile that highlights your expertise and showcases your previous work. Remember, a strong portfolio is essential in attracting potential clients who are willing to pay for your services. Another effective way to generate income online is through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services related to your niche, you can earn commissions on sales made through your referral links. Building a blog or a social media following enables you to reach a larger audience. Craft engaging content that resonates with your followers. This builds trust and encourages them to make purchases through your links. If you have a flair for writing or creating videos, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. Through consistent content creation, you can attract viewers and generate income from ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Select topics that captivate your target audience and utilize SEO strategies to increase visibility. Remember, patience is key. Building a dedicated audience takes time and effort. Online courses and ebooks are another avenue to explore. If you possess valuable knowledge or skills, package them into informative content. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad allow you to create and sell your courses or books easily. Promoting these products through social media and email marketing can significantly enhance your sales opportunities. Focus on addressing common pain points within your niche. This will enhance the perceived value of your offerings. Lastly, always be on the lookout for emerging trends in the online marketplace. Keeping yourself informed will allow you to pivot quickly and seize new opportunities. Online income can be a challenging pursuit, but with dedication and strategic planning, you can transform your skills and passions into a profitable online venture. Start today and watch your efforts grow.